Store shelves across our area are looking pretty bare tonight as people rush to grab those last-minute supplies, and one of those places is Snyder's Hardware in Bethesda. Workers have been going non-stop to keep up with demand, and the manager tells us the hottest items right now include shovels, sleds, and ice melt.
Well, we just had people, just waiting outside, they were just anticipating the ice melt to come around with the forklift, just constant people just going in and out and trying to buy like 4 or 5 bags of ice melt, but we had a limit of 2, so just to make sure everybody is taken care of.
I like that. There's a little cutoff,
Yeah.
All right, so get this. Snyder's Hardware says another shipment of the most popular items will arrive tomorrow, so make sure you get there early.
Know your neighbors. You might be able to kind of pool your resources and help each other out. All right.